The Tesla app lets you control and monitor your EV. A key feature is adding extra icons, also known as quick controls, to the home screen for fast access to your favorite functions. As of December 2025, the app's customization is extensive, making it easier than ever to manage your car and smart home devices. Quick controls are shortcuts on your Tesla app's home screen. They give you one-tap access to features like climate control, charging, lights, or even smart home devices. This eliminates the need to navigate through multiple menus, saving time and increasing convenience. To begin customizing your quick controls, first open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Next, locate the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of the home screen and tap it. From the menu that appears, select the Customize Controls option to access the customization screen. On the customization screen, you can choose from preset icons like climate controls or add custom ones through integrations with smart home devices. Simply drag and drop your selected icons to position them wherever you want on the home screen for easy access. This customization is built into the Tesla app and works on both iOS and Android devices without requiring any special modifications. The Tesla app supports a wide range of icons for vehicle functions and smart home integrations. You can add icons for essential Tesla features like defrosting the windshield or activating camp mode for off-grid adventures. You can also control Tesla accessories directly from the app, including wall connectors for charging and power walls for energy storage. The app integrates with smart home devices through Tesla's API and protocols like Matter. Control Philips Hue lights or Nest thermostats seamlessly from your Tesla app. The Tesla app now incorporates artificial intelligence to make customization even smarter. It learns from your daily interactions and usage patterns to suggest icons that would be most helpful for you. This AI system analyzes how often you use certain features, the time of day you access them, and your driving habits to provide personalized recommendations. For example, if you regularly use the seat heating feature during winter mornings, the app will detect this pattern and suggest adding a dedicated heat seat icon to your home screen for one-tap access. This personalization makes the app more intuitive by anticipating your needs and reducing the time spent navigating menus. Over time, your home screen becomes perfectly tailored to your driving lifestyle. Imagine controlling your entire home from your Tesla app. Some users have set up icons for their garage door, solar panels, and EV charger, allowing one-tap access to home automation features. This smart home integration makes daily routines more efficient. RV enthusiasts are also benefiting from custom icons. For example, icons for camp mode activation and tire pressure monitoring make off-grid adventures more convenient. Users can quickly access these features without navigating through multiple menus, streamlining their travel experience. To ensure smooth operation, grant the Tesla app all necessary permissions and ensure your vehicle is online. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your integrated smart home devices and Tesla account. If you experience any issues, check Tesla's support forums for over-the-air fixes. The future of Tesla app customization points toward deeper AI and IoT integration. As AI learns from user behavior, the app will suggest and automatically adjust icons for maximum convenience. Voice-activated icons will allow hands-free control, while predictive controls anticipate needs based on patterns like weather or schedules. Tesla is exploring AR overlays that let users virtually interact with their vehicle through the app. The ultimate goal is a seamless app that serves as the central hub for your entire Tesla and smart home ecosystem.